The shampoo basin and the shampoo bed are packed separately. Remove the 4 screws on the back of the shampoo basin, which include the hot and cold water hose and the drain outlet. After completing the water connections, attach the basin to the bed. Tighten the 2 screws to fix the remote control holder. Then place the remote control into the slot. Lift the calf section, connect the power cable, and turn on the power. Start system. The calf section will automatically rise. Press auto to start a 20-minute massage. The back, hands, and legs will start massaging simultaneously. Massage intensity supports 3 levels of adjustment. Kneading, pounding, and tuina massage techniques. The airbag intensity also supports 3 levels of adjustment. All functions can be paused with 1 button and resumed with 1 button. Turn on the heating function. Turn it off when not needed. Press and hold leg up to raise the calf section. Press and hold leg down to lower the calf section. Water fittings installation. Tighten and secure the buckle located at the bottom of the shampoo device. Connect the water inlet and fasten it with wire. Attach the water pipe to the motor and secure it again with wire. Connect the power cable and charge before use. Display of the assembled water fittings. Product voltage and power.